How to permanently delete your WhatsApp account step-by-step guide. Hey everyone! Welcome back to IT Next channel. If you're looking to permanently delete your WhatsApp account, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to permanently delete your WhatsApp account. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Then, select Settings. Now, let's navigate to the account settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Account. This will take you to the account settings page. Here comes the crucial step, deleting your account. On the account settings page, tap on Delete My Account. You'll be asked to enter your phone number to confirm. To finalize the process, you'll need to confirm your decision. After entering your phone number, tap on Delete My Account. You'll see a warning message explaining what happens when you delete your account. If you're sure, tap Delete My Account again. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your WhatsApp account permanently. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible. All your messages, contacts, and backups will be permanently deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to IT Next for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.